Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to watch TikTok without downloading the app. First, open the web browser on your mobile device. Here, search for TikTok login. Now open official website of TikTok. You can log in by using any of these methods. Here, select the option Not Now. Now you can use TikTok. Keep on using the app the way you want. Skip the option to download the app. This is how you can watch TikTok without downloading the app. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.